I want to thank all the members of the media for taking time out and joining us for the launch of the trailer of this exciting film called Noor, directed by Sunil Sippi and produced by Bhushan Kumar and Vikram Malhotra. With your smile, Miss Noor Roy Chaudhary, Sonakshi Sinha, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, Mr. Vikram Malhotra, Ms. Shikha Sharma and Ms. Priya Gupta. The President Marketing T-Series, Mr. Vinod Bhanushali, and of course this talented cast, Karan Gill, Shivani Radekar, Manish Chaudhary and Smita Tambe. So when you see a script on paper, right, for a director, the vision and everything matters. Obviously you must have gotten excited, but what got you on board? Like you were like, this is it.
For me, I think it was the character of Noor. The way it was crafted, it was an everyday girl that represented the problems of anybody living at any time in modern times in our cities, you know? So for me, there was a lot of identification with her. And that was the germ of it, that was the basis of it, and then it just grew from there.
I connected to the character immediately when Sunil Sippi narrated it to me. I think before he reached down in my building, I called him and I told him, I'm doing this film. And to see it now on the big screen, to see it come out like this, turn out like this, I think it's such a good feeling, and I'm so glad that I could share it with all these wonderful people over here. And it's just, I'm just too, I need to do something. Can you hold this?
Okay. Your pretentious movie reviews online, जहाँ आपने बहुत अच्छी बातें बोली हैं, they were a rage, and now you are a part of Hindi films.
Yes,
Sir, paradigm shift. Karan Gill.
Check. The irony is not lost on me, I realize. But when Sunil, I mean, everybody got in touch for the part that I'm playing of Saad in the film, and has he ever reviewed?
तुम्हें break किसने दिया, Karan?
So it actually really stuck her neck out for me. She was like, please take Karan, I think he'll be a good choice. And then she never let me forget it. She tells me every day, you have a role because I exist. So I like to thank Sonakshi for pushing for me, and I had a lot of fun doing the film, man. It was a crazy experience.
Shivani, you've been on live TV, right? And now you're part of this absolutely wonderful cast. Kanan, Sonakshi, Manish, everyone. Must be really exciting to just be on set every day and now to see this brilliant product that is releasing on the 21st of April.
It is. I mean, it was an absolute honor to be part of such an incredible team. Very different from live TV because with live TV you get one take. I mean, it's kind of similar. They only let you do it once here as well. And then you move on. But the whole process was obviously a new experience for me, but I have to say that Sonakshi really held my hand through it. She was amazing. So did Sunil. So did Shikha. Everyone was incredible. They were wonderful people to work with. Honestly, I mean, if this is what the movie business is like, and if this is what a team, a general team is like, then I'm in. Sign me up.
क्या सोच थी decide किया आपने कि yes मैं तो ये produce कर रहा हूँ with Vikram?
So all these real cinemas these days are working. People wants to connect with the real kind of films, and जो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में होता है, the people want to see that kind of movies. And now this one is blended with great music. Of course, you have seen the music की झलक आपने देखी है. So we are very excited at T-Series as a team to push this film to the till the release, and I guess everybody will love this film.
What is the one line that you told Bhushanji about Noor? क्या थी वो line?
We should do this film together again.
कोई secret formula नहीं है, Suren. What we look for in the stories that we back are the impact that they are going to create. उनकी एक relatability होनी चाहिए audience के साथ, younger audience के साथ, progressive audience के साथ. Bhushan ji touched about how people are now liking real stories, relatable stories. What we look for are storytellers like Sunil, talent like what is standing on the stage, people who understand and align themselves to the audience of today. And then when you go about that process, you have people like Shikha who work so strongly and passionately on our content that we don't rest till it gets perfect shape. So really कोई secret formula नहीं है. सब लोगों को फिल्म पसंद आए, that is the only thing we keep in mind.
स्टोरी के लिए जो हर रोज हम लोग लड़ते हैं, उसका प्रेशर आपने कैसे महसूस किया और कितना मजा आया आपको?
I told you ये होगा.
Honestly, मैंने आप सबसे ही सीखा है, आपके साथ इतनी इंटरेक्शन हुई है पिछले कुछ सालों में कि आई हैड टू अप्लाई अ लॉट ऑफ दैट एंड नूर एक्चुअली एक ऐसी लड़की है, एक ऐसी जर्नलिस्ट है जो स्टोरीज उसे करनी है वो उसे करने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है, वो उसके लिए लड़ती है।
कभी ऐसे रियल जिंदगी में ऐसा हुआ जैसे कि फिल्म में कभी आपने बताया कोई स्टोरी फाइल करे और किसी के लिए वो डिस्टर्बिंग था, तो कभी ऐसे आपके लिए हुआ है कि someone has written something or showed something which has really disturbed you? You would like to say something on it?
मैं गिनती भूल गई हूँ कितनी बार ये हुआ है, बट आई थिंक इट्स ऑल पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द प्रोफेशन दैट वी आर इन। आई थिंक ठीक है, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है एंड आई थिंक यू हैव टू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ इट, बट नथिंग सो सीरियस।
कि फिल्म सबा इम्तियाज की किताब कराची और किलिंग पर आधारित है, तो व्हाट मेड यू कि आप ये सेटिंग चेंज करें पाकिस्तान से, कराची से मुंबई? और दूसरा सवाल, आपने 16 साल बाद एक फिल्म बनाई, सिर्फ शायद आपने बनाई थी, तो व्हाट इतना लंबा इंतजार क्यों?
But first of all, the book was really just the germ of an idea, the characters. We took those characters and we adapted it to Bombay, but it was really just the germ of an idea and the characters that were from the book, and then we spent a great deal of time taking it into Bombay and bringing it into this setting. So there's no link at all to Karachi or anything like that in the movie at all.
Sonashi, since the film is based on a very popular Pakistani novel, I just wanted to know, will the film also have a release across the border? I mean, do you plan?
That I think our producers will tell you.
Yes, of course.
We are releasing in Pakistan.
I think everybody has those ups and downs in life, and I think if it's like that, that means you're living, right? And if it's like that, it means you're dead.
So how was it being on the movie set? We all know you're a comedian.
It was great. People keep asking me, hero kaun hai? It's amazing. They ask me, bhaiya ye pakad lo, chai kahan hai? No, it was fantastic. I always watch movies from the outside, so I was very interested to see how a movie gets made. And it's fantastic. This obviously is not indicative how normal movies get made, because we made it on a very tight shift, very fast, very well-oiled machine. I really wish to see some drama. And some cool stories I could tell my friends, like, pata nahi ye sab hota hai, but none of that.
Will your reviews change?
Huh?
Will your reviews change now? Will it be more like?
I've warned him, he cannot.
Probably
do
not.
this.
As we see that there are a lot of like new faces we see in this film. Along with you, you're the lead. So do you think a big actor or a known actor would have made a difference or is missing from this film?
No, kind of film that it is, the way that it's been written, the way the characters are, they needed real people. And I feel like I've never met Karan and Chibani before we did this film, and we're playing the best of friends. And I don't know, we just gelled so well, and each one of them fit into their characters so wonderfully, so beautifully. You're going to feel like, these people are real.
मीडिया की फिल्में, विनोद जी, तो मीडिया में किस तरह इसको प्रमोट करेंगे? मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी क्या रहेगी?
आपने अभी प्रोमो देख लिया, राइट? आपकी कहानी है, आप लोग प्रमोट करेंगे इसको। मेरा तो काम हो गया।
I think सबसे ज़्यादा excitement इसी फिल्म के लिए रही है, because even when I used to go and promote my last two films, एक दो सवाल तो नूर के बारे में आ ही जाते थे, जो एक्साइटमेंट है।
Light.
सॉरी, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है कंट्रोल।
पर आधा काम हमारा ये हो गया कि आप लोगों को सबको प्रोमो पसंद आ गया, जो थिएटिकल प्रोमो है, प्लस उसके साथ में जब कहानी आपकी है ना, तो काफी चीजें तो आपके वहां से आएंगी, द आइडियाज आप ही लोग हमको देंगे, यार हम ये करें तो। बट आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, यू हैव टू वॉच दिस फिल्म टू बिलीव दैट आपकी कहानी में इतना इंटरेस्ट कैसे लेके उन्होंने पिक्चर बना दी।
होली का त्योहार आ रहा है, होली किस तरह मनाती हैं आप, और होली की शुभकामनाएं दे दें दर्शक।
होली एक्चुअली मेरा फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है, बट पिछले कुछ सालों से मुझे मनाने का मौका नहीं मिला, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा शूट के बीच रही हूँ, और जब मैं खेलती हूँ होली तो बहुत ही जंगली की तरह खेलती हूँ, और फुल कलर वाला लग जाता है, तो वो शूट में नहीं चलता। सो आई थिंक दिस ईयर आल्सो आई एम गोना हैव टू स्किप इट, क्योंकि मैं इत्तेफाक के लिए शूट कर रही हूँ, बट आई लव होली एज अ फेस्टिवल, एंड आई लाइक टू विश यू ऑल अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी होली।
वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात हम करते हैं। बॉलीवुड में पहले ऐसा होता था कि जो मेल एक्टर्स हैं वो पूरा फुल फ्लेज सारी फिल्म ले जाते थे, लेकिन अब ऐसी फिल्में बन रही हैं जो अकेले लड़कियां लीड कर रही हैं। तो क्या आपको लगता है कि एक नया रेवोल्यूशन जो है वो बॉलीवुड में आया?
ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आज लड़कियां नहीं कर सकती? तो फिल्म बनाना और प्रमोट करना क्या चीज है? हम वो भी करेंगे, और बहुत सी चीजें करेंगे, एंड आई फील दैट टुडे there are such wonderful characters being written. There are such wonderful films being made with keeping female protagonists in mind. And ये अभी एक normal सी चीज़ हो गई है, I feel, and it's great that the industry has taken a step in that direction, and it's giving us so many beautiful roles to portray. And I thank producers like them who make films like that, and give us an opportunity to portray roles that people can only dream of playing on screen.
ट्रेलर में देखा शायद आप बॉस बने हैं सोनाक्षी के, तो हाँ, तो जरा उसके बारे में बताएं किस तरीके की तैयारियां नहीं आपकी?
तो करीब 2 हफ्ते पहले सुनील और मैं कुछ मेरी डबिंग क्लीन कर रहे थे स्टूडियो में, तो उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने तुमको पिक्चर में डायरेक्ट ही नहीं किया। तो मैंने कहा आप शायद वो हफ्ता भूल रहे हैं शूटिंग से पहले जब 6-6 घंटे आपने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट के साथ पेला था। तो मैंने इनको याद दिलाया कि वो जो 6 घंटे 7 दिन हमने लगातार काम किया, उसकी ही वजह से इन्हें कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी मुझे, है ना। तो फिर मैंने इनसे कहा कि जो भी आपने मुझे वहां कहा था मैंने फिल्म में वही किया है, तो ये मत समझिएगा कि आपने डायरेक्ट नहीं किया, आप ही ने डायरेक्ट किया मुझे।
That's it. मिल गया उनको जो चाहिए था. And once again,